Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. In this strategy we'll be trading the volatility 10 index. We are using the D trader, and we'll be trading the volatility 10 index over and under. And before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the Toscalper boat, the version 6.1 is out, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. So just check your email. If you have previously purchased the boat, you can see some of the results right here. Version 6.1 is out, and it comes in two variants, the one for Deriv and the ones for boats.binary.com. So to order the boats, all you have to do is to visit www.toscalper.citywide.technologies.com.ng to order the boats. It's just 9.99 USD. It's 9.99 USD. You can see some of the results right there on Deriv interface as well. And for those who haven't purchased the Pipstripper boat, we've updated it again. The June 2021 update is out, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat as well. Check your email. It comes in two versions, and we stated in that instruction there, each time you are placing your trade, do not minimize your browser and do not switch your tab. Make sure you stay on the trading page. Just stay on the trading page and run the boats for like 5 to 6 times. Stop it, then after a few minutes you run it again. So that's how to run the boat effectively. So to order the Pipstripper boat, visit binary Pipstripper boat.citywide.technologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just 7.99 USD. You can see some of the results right there on binary.com and the Deriv interface as well. You can make payment using Bitcoin, Web Money, Perfect Money, and other payment options, debit card on the other page. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here again are the links. We'll paste these links in the video description on YouTube. The Pipstripper boat, that's the link to order the Pipstripper boat, and the Toscalper boat is the link, toscalper.citywide.technologies.com.ng. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. And here are the links to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. We'll drop 3 strategies today, one each on each of the channels. So subscribe to the 3 channels to watch strategies. Let's get back to the trading. I've logged in. Just log into the Deriv.com interface as apps.deriv.com. Then you choose the D trader. You click on D trader on the top left corner there. You click on D trader. Then you go to the trade. You choose the synthetic index volatility 10 index. Then you click on the trade type right there. You choose the over and under. You click on it. Then you set the tick. You set the tick to 6 ticks. You set the ticks to 6 ticks. Then the last prediction, you click on 0. The last prediction, you click on 0. The last prediction as 0. Then the ticks, you set it to 6 ticks. So we are going to be clicking on the over. So just disregard this one. We're going to be clicking on the over. Once the last number here, let me close this, the last trade here. Once the last number here is 9, well, you can see it's moving fast. Your mouse, your hands have to be on the mouse. Once you can see that's 875. Once the last number there under the red sign, then once the last number is 9, we'll click, that's 9 there, we'll click on over. So we'll watch the time count. Enter your payout or your stake. Don't forget, if you have enough fund in your account, you can stake higher. So you can see we won that trade. There. So let's go for 2 more trades before we round up. So the last number, once it's 9, you can see that's 448. The last number there, once is 9, we'll click on over. That's 8520 387 302 387 again 682 790. That's 869. The last number 9. So let's watch the outcome of the trade here. Okay, you can see we won that trade again. We won that trade. On the trade. So let's watch again. Let's watch the last number here again. We are working with the last number here on the red movement there. So let's watch. Let's go for our last trade. That's 863 734 136 046 086 169. Okay, it's 9 there. Okay, sorry, the trade we didn't place that trade there in the network. So let's watch again. 753 740 489. Okay, as you can see, we won that trade. You can see we won that trade there. We won that trade. So that's the last trade we placed there. We won that trade. So let's just place one more trade again. Let's place one more trade again. Let's just, you have to be fast with it. That's 099. So okay, I think that trade has what's going on with the positions. Let's just wait. Okay, it's not opened yet, so let's watch again and place the trade again. 79 or 79. So okay, okay, there you go. You can see we won all the trades. We won all the trades, so you can go on and on and on. One of the trades there. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Make sure you watch the numbers carefully before you place a trade. Thanks for watching. Bye.